Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe and make sure you touch that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Okay, Cheat Gang, so today we're making boiled chicken. I have a piece of an onion chopped up and 3 mini peppers. I have 450 milliliters of water that I already poured one into the pot, and then I have another just in case. I'm gonna use me some chicken bouillon. I have my garlic salt, my cayenne pepper. Y'all know I love me some Tony's, and I got my garlic powder. And this is what we're starting with. Okay, Cheat Gang, so we're gonna season this chicken up. I'm using my 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. So I'm gonna do 2 of those. Then I'm gonna do a generous amount of cayenne because y'all know I like a little spice. But just not too much because I got to feed the kids still. I'm gonna do my garlic salt. Y'all see how I'm seasoning it, so don't be acting like y'all scared to season that meat. Just don't overdo it, but do it enough to where somebody would want to come back and eat again. We're going in with the Tony's. And then we're going in with some garlic powder. Then we're gonna take all of our onion and bell pepper, pour it in now, because that's gonna give it that extra flavor. If you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoned. So yeah, go over here, grab a spoon. Make sure anything y'all grab, you rinse off, because we're not gonna do it dirty up in here. I will have like a custom apron soon with my logo, Cooking with Deshay, real soon, sometime next week. So I'm gonna have a black one and a white one, because yes, we got a whole bunch of recipes to go. And y'all know every time we taste anything, we always go in with more seasoning or whatever needs to be done. So I'm going to show y'all how that chicken looking. That's what it's looking like right now. We're going to let that cook without a top for the first 30 minutes. So I'm setting my timer now to 30 minutes. And again, these are Chi-Chi's recipes. Nobody else. Cooking with Deshay. I'm still taking my spoon, getting that water, pouring it over the chicken, letting all that seasoning get from on top. But yeah. I don't know what sides I'm gonna cook yet. It's either I want to debone the chicken and make chicken and rice, or I just want to do like some corn and flavored rice. I don't know yet. I'll let y'all know. It'll be a picture at the end of whatever it is I decide. Bye, Cheat Gang, until it's time to check on this chicken and give y'all another close-up in about 30 minutes when we put the lid on, re-season, add whatever we need to add. Until then. Okay, so the 30 minutes is up, but like 15 minutes into the 30 minutes, I added another 450 milliliter of water, and then I added seasoning, and then I've been cooking it with the top off. So with that being said, now I'm gonna add more water. I'm gonna add another 300 milliliters, so a little less than what I've been adding. Well, what I added those 2 times. And the water's boiling out already, so we're gonna cut that down because I've been cooking on a medium, which is like a 7 maybe, medium high. So now I'm gonna put it on like just like medium low, which is like 5.5, 6. I'm gonna add in, and yes, when I added the 450, I sprinkled all of the seasonings that I used previously. Get at a mix around. Trying to see. All right. So I know where we at now. We're gonna use some more garlic. The last of what's in there because it ain't much left, so pointless to leave just a little bit. But I have plenty of these small bottles. We're definitely gonna go in with some more Tonys. You see what I'm doing? A dash of the cayenne. Nothing too fancy. And then we're gonna definitely add some garlic salt. Just a little bit. We ain't gonna do too much of that. And we're gonna go in. I don't know where my little, oh, I put it in there. We're gonna add not even a full tablespoon. It ain't even full. Then make sure y'all taking that liquid in the pot and pouring it over every piece of the chicken to get some of that seasonings in the water. Okay, we're gonna add 100 milliliters of water. And place the lid on top. Let it cook for another 30 minutes with the lid on. Y'all see it? So timer started. The lid is on, and hopefully by the time we check it again, it'll be somewhere near done. But until next time. Okay, Chi Gang. So this is gonna be the finished product. But before I go, I just want to let y'all know during the 30 minutes this cooked, I have been flipping it and, you know, pouring them juices over the chicken. I've also added about maybe 300 more milliliters of water. And then I added 2 more tablespoons of the chicken bouillon. And, yeah, this is the finished product. Most of it's falling off the bone. So I'm going to go ahead on and get to making this meal. That's some corn I made for the kids and some chicken flavored rice. But we'll be doing other recipes, but for the moment I'm only doing my meats. But I have some sides that I'll be cooking as well. Homemade though. This is from the can and that's from a bag, but I'll be making some other stuff. from scratch. So yeah, finished product.